You open your eyes, but something feels wrong. The ground is cold, the air is heavy. There is no phone, no light, no sound of the modern world. You slowly look around stone walls, a small window, and old wooden door. Then you realize you are not in your room. You are inside a prison. But this is not a modern prison. This is life 500 years ago. A time when prison was not about fixing people, it was about punishment. And now you have to survive here. Your new home is a small dark room made of stone. The walls are cold. There is almost no sunlight. Only a small opening high on the wall let some lights enter. During the day, the room feels empty. During the night, it feels endless. The smell is something you have never experienced before. Wet stone, old wood, human waste, and the smell of people who have been trapped inside for days, months, or even years. There is no comfortable bed, no pillow, no blanket like today. Many prisoners sleep on the floor, sometimes on a thin layer of bed. You hear sound around you, chains moving, people, sounds, gods walking, someone crying in another cell. The worst part, you don't know when the door is will open. Because in this world, an open door does not always mean freedom. Today, using a bathroom is normal. You close the door, you have privacy, you have clean water. But 500 years ago, things were very different. Many persons had trouble sanitation. Some people had simple holes or basic toilets. Privacy was almost impossible. The smell could spread everywhere. Cleaning system very poor. Because of this, disease could spread quickly. A prisoner was not only fighting the gods, they were fighting the environment. A small infection would become dangerous. Survival was not only about escaping. Sometimes survival was just staying alive the another day. After hours in your cell, you hear footsteps. Food is coming, but don't expect a normal meal. Prison food was usually simple, bread and water. Small portion of basic food. The quality depended on the place and the people controlling the prison. Some prisoners become weak because they did not get entered food. Hunger became another punishment. Imagine being locked away, watching days pass while your body became weaker. Some prisoners did not die because of a punishment. They died because they were forgotten. A prisoner's biggest enemy was not always pain. Sometimes it was time. Day felt longer. There was no entertainment, no internet, no way to escape your own thought. You spend hours looking at the same wall. Some prisoners talked to others. Some stayed silent. Some lost hope. Gods controlled almost everything. When you eat, when you move, when you see another person. A prison did not only lock your body, it tried to break your mind. Behind every prison wall, there was a human being, a son, a father, a husband, a person someone loved. But prison separated people. Many prisoners could not see their families. There was little privacy, little comfort, and almost no normal life. Human needs did not disappear because someone was looked away. People still wanted connection. They still want love. they still want someone to remember them. Because the hardest punishment was sometimes be feeling forgotten. Punishments, the part everyone feared. The prison itself was scary, but the punishment system was even more frightening. In many societies, 500 years ago, punishments were harsh. People would face public punishment, physical suffering. The goal was not only to punish one person, it was also to scare everyone watching. People feared prison because entering these walls could change their entire life. The prison door was not the scariest thing. The system outside was. Escape attempts. The dream of freedom. Every prisoner had one thought, freedom. Some people tried to escape. They watched the gods, they studied doors. They looked for weakness, but escaping was extremely risky. If catched, the punishment would become worse. A prisoner had to choose stay inside or risk everything for one chance. Become outside these walls was not like dying lost. Now imagine you wake up tomorrow, no technology, no comfort, no easy food, no freedom, only stone walls, and the sound was a locked door. Would you survive 1 week? Would you survive 1 month? Because 500 years ago, prison was not just a place, it was a battle against hunger, fear, loneliness, and time. The question is, would you survive